What's up, hoes? It's Tish back out with another makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful look with the NORVINA palette that I've been dying to use, and I finally got it. I had to get stuff all over it. But yes, it's not really that new, but it just came out a couple. I want to see about May. I don't even know. I'm not even going to tell you what I think, how long ago it was. But I think I did great on this look. I hope you guys like it. So let's cut this video short because first off, it's hot in my room, and second of all, I have plans. So let's get to it. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows and my foundation and stuff. I used what I used in my last video, like the Fenty Beauty do Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover, and my NYX for my eyebrows, and I set my face with Airspun. So I'm going to do something light, but I've been waiting to use this palette for forever. But the NORVINA, whatever. No, it's NORVINA. By the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Oh my gosh, I already got stuff all over it. I shouldn't check it out of the package, but it's basically brand new. I used it one day. The colors are like beautiful. So pretty. Oh. So I'm going to go in, let's just get this started. I'm going to go in with, I guess it's word Sectra, whatever, Sectra, whatever. And I'm going to put that all over my lid, basically. Oh, I like to want like a base. All my base, I like using bases that match my skin color more. Cool. I always forget if I want to put some tape on. I always do stupid crap like this. I always get mine really close to my eye. Don't ask me why. I did do. Just to make sure it's perfect. So maybe a little bit more higher. So I'm wearing pink today, so I'm going to start with a light pink. We use Love to go in. Start right here. Blend that out. So this color's really pretty. I'm obsessed. So far, so good. I like the brush. All of my base. Okay, pretty. So then I'm going to take this base color right here. And I don't know if that's for the base. Maybe it's because it says base, but I don't care because I like using what I use. So I want to cap that right there. So I'm going to take this passion color right here and kind of like take that into my inner corner right here, a little crease on this side right here, and just dab that through. So what I'm going to take my little crease brush. I use like also for like my tape is coming off. Yeah. Hot. So far, I do consider this palette, and it's so far so good for me. I'm going to take that light Love pink again. I use my base color and put it on top, just to lighten everything. So I'm going to take Wild Child and Rose Gold, those two colors. They're so pretty. Like, just stare at the palette. It's so pretty. And I'm going to dab it right in here. Cool. I like it. So now, actually, I'm going to take Dazzling right here. No, I lied. I'm not taking Dazzling. I'm going to go in and take my Tourmaline, whatever. You guys know this already. And I'm going to wipe this off a little bit. And I'm going to put it in the crease of my eyes. I always do. Let's take that and blend it out. Take my blending brush, this brush, let's blend it up in there. Here, it's called Violet or Violet. Look, I'm not good with these words. If I get too frustrated, I'm gonna dab that. Look at darker. And I'm going to put some more in here. Blend that out away like that, way better. Like you just look at dark. You don't want to put like black because you don't want to make it too dark, like a smoky, like not even like a smoky eye, but like darker. Ooh, I'm too obsessed. I'm getting another mirror. So now I'm going to take the tape off. I'm going to clean up underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to take Passion and Love. I want to mix those together and put it underneath my eye. Oh my god. So now I'm going to do some mascara. I never wear my hair out. This is so weird. So now I'm going to put my mascara on. Cool. I'm so obsessed with this palette. Like, I've been waiting to get it. You know what? We're switching it up. I'm not going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to use my Pro Highlight. I have so many highlight in here that I do not entirely don't know I'm going to use. Since I'm wearing pink today, I'm going to go with Graceful. And I'm going to go with Aladdin. I swear I always go for those two, but I'm always wearing pinks. But I just want to... Okay. Cool. It's pretty. So, let me set this face. Oh my god, I'm so happy with my look today. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to get dressed and I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to put some lipstick on and we're going to end this video. Okay? Okay, so I just put my hair down and brushed it. This is gross, sweaty hair. Nasty bed hair. Don't want to know. Anyway. So I'm going to take this Color Vivid Matte Lipstick and I'm going to take this pretty Katy Perry by CoverGirl. I need to get new lipstick, like. But then again, I'm not a lipstick girl anymore. So I'm going to take that and put that right there. I'm going to take the other one and dab it. Just that. It's really pretty. I think I'm happy with my results. I always try to like double check and I make sure that I'm happy. Like my eyebrows could be a little bit better. I'm getting them done this weekend. But this is my best friend's mascara. I'm not going to put some on because like this eye sucks. I might run and get some lashes today, but I'm so happy. I hope you guys like this look. It literally looks like all my other looks on my YouTube channels and I don't even give a shit because like, yeah. I always switch it up. I feel like I always do. A little bit. So, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please comment, subscribe, and thumbs up. And, yeah. See you guys soon. Mwah.